Hey everybody, I just wanted to show a little hybrid kit that I kind of created. I play in this Chinese duo that's percussion and a lute-based Chinese ensemble. And originally we were asked to play in a parade and we were going to be on a float. That changed to no more float, you have to process, you have to parade. So I had to figure out how am I going to do this playing a whole bunch of Chinese instruments while moving. So for the last couple of years now, I've had to do something somewhat similar in terms of having a setup where I can process for New Year's Eve gigs. And so it's sort of like a modified drum set. So I kind of took the same idea, and there's this black cart. It folds up. You can get these at, like, you know, Aldi and, you know, on the internet and whatnot. But everything's attached to this frame. And what's nice is that the wheels articulate in the front. So I can kind of turn, and I can go backwards, I can go forwards. So the whole idea is that I took one of these harnesses for, like, you know, marching snare drum or whatnot. And it has a pole on it, which then I attach to the cart itself. So all I have to do is come up under here. I'm on there, and now essentially I can move hands-free. So I can move forward, back, I can spin, I can turn. It's not the smoothest on this carpet, but on a flat surface it works quite well. So for example, if I make the go like this, go backwards, and go forwards, no problem. Can kind of spin and turn as I need. So it should work for the gig. And so what we have here in terms of the kit and the setup, I have a little stick holder here, so if I need to, you know, put the sticks down, a little stick holder. I have a high tom, high Chinese tom, low Chinese tom. I have a couple of temple blocks, wood blocks. Little tambourine guy up here. I have a cymbal, 2 different cymbals for accents and, you know, riding if I need to. And then what's really cool is I have this Chinese gong over on this side here. So and so this way I can just kind of like process in the parade, play back and forth. And then I even got a little holder here for some hand cymbals so that when the lute player wants to take a break and just play some cymbals, she can just pick them up right there. Little cup holder for the cymbals. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with how everything came together with this setup. And that's my little Chinese percussion mobile portable processing kit.